another nice thing about pivot tables is that you can change your data selection really easily without having to go through the process of making an entirely new table. So let's say, we have our table here, but we've already X'd out of this field. There we go. And we're like, actually, we don't really want, state, we'd rather have an average score rather than just a count score. But how do I, get back to where'd my screen go? Where'd my selector screen go? And so you can come up here. You notice that I have selected on my pivot table. If I'm over here, that menu that was here goes away. But then if I just select anything in here, this pivot table menu comes back. I would go to the pivot table analyze section, and then I would come to so I would come to over here under this show selection, and I'm going to click on field list, and this comes back up. And so, maybe we don't want a count of ID anymore, and so we can remove that. And then now let's say that we want a social score, but we'd really rather it be an average, and maybe we don't want it broken up by if they've had an interview or not. We want it by gender. And so we just select these, and if you noticed over here, that table was dynamically changing as I was making the changes over here. And then we can say, all right, that can go away again, and we like it. And they're like, actually, wait just a second, we'd like to change something else. We can bring that field list back up and then modify it further. So let's say we want it by state, by gender, and then if they've had an interview or not. We can continually, we can break it down a little bit further if we want. I don't want the interview on there, so I'm taking it off.